In today's video, I'm going to teach you how the new lead object in HubSpot works. Let's start right from your HubSpot home screen. Click the Settings gear in the top navigation to open your account settings. In the left sidebar, open Data Management and choose Objects. Under the Objects tab, select Leads. This is where all configuration for the new lead object lives. Head to Setup and open Manage Lead Properties. This area controls the data fields available on a lead record. Things like stage, source, or any custom details you want to track. Managing properties lets you standardize data entry, clean up what users see, and power reporting and automation. Use the search bar to find lead stage as an example, then select it and choose Add to Group. When you add a property to a group, you're organizing how it appears on record sidebars and forms, making it easier for teams to find related fields quickly. Pick the lead information group and click Save. That places lead stage neatly within the lead information section. Next, click Create Property. Creating a lead property is how you capture information that doesn't exist by default, perfect for unique qualification criteria or regional data your team relies on. Enter a clear property label, then create property to finish. Go back to the lead settings. Turn on the option to sync lead owner with the contact or company owner and confirm Yes. This keeps ownership aligned across records, which is critical for handoffs and reporting. Turn on the option to sync lead activities with the lead owner as well, so meetings, emails, and calls are attributed correctly for visibility and performance tracking. Now, customize the Create Lead form. Customizing this form ensures that, at the moment a lead is created, your team captures the right, consistent fields, reducing back and forth and improving data quality. Open lead information and add the properties you want on the form. Adding properties controls which fields appear and which can be set as required, so every new lead has the essentials from day one. Save and close when you're done. Open Pipelines. Create a pipeline, then choose Create from Scratch. A pipeline is the sequence of stages a lead moves through, from new to qualified, giving your team a shared, visual process for prioritization and follow-up. Name your pipeline and click Create Pipeline. Use actions to edit or delete the pipeline later if your process changes. Open Preview Customization, then Default View. Here you can arrange the display order of lead properties so the most important details are front and center. When you're happy with it, save and exit. That's the new lead object in HubSpot, from setup to properties, forms, and pipelines. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.